Welcome back to Niagara Learning Channel. Someone has asked me a question on YouTube. Can you please explain how you program your padlock icon to log off a station having difficulty trying to set it up? So we can sort that out for you. So let's first of all go into our files. We'll make a new folder, icons, and then we'll make a new PX folder. We'll call it header. We'll open up the header, nice and big there. We'll get the logoff button from Kitpx. So all you do is go into your palette. If you don't see your palette there, so let's close that palette down. So you don't have a palette there. Go to your window, sidebars, palette, and then you select Kitpx, and this is your palette there. So that's your log off, that's your back button, that's your forward button, reboot button, and your save button if you need it, and we've got the log off button there, and this is the one that we want to change. We don't want this standard graphic here, so we've got to get now an icon for that. So on this other screen I just went to Google and log off button, and there's various log off buttons. Some of them are licensed, some of them aren't. But if I just go for, well, we can go log out there, log in, log out there. It's licensable, that one. But let me just, for this example, take that button there and snip it out, and then if I go save and just put that as logout, save into my downloads, close that out, just move that across to the second screen. Now in my supervisor on my PC, I'll go in Drive C, Office, which is for users, and I want downloads. Just save that for the moment. Modified, logout button there, copy it there from my Drive C, bring it into my station files icons, paste it in there, go back into my header, edit my header. That was the log off button there. I'm going to now select that image, files, icons, logout. So there's my image selected there. Still not going to look right. So I need to take button style to none, and we're going to have this log off text here. Again, it's still not going to look right. So when I go expand that, I know it's really big, but see, you got log off there. That's no good to me. So font, I'm going to put it at 0, so there's no font. Come on, 0. Okay, okay. And that is your logout button. Yes, admittedly it's big. You just need to resize it. But that's your logout button. So when you press that, you log out of your station. As simple as that. Let's go back into there and go back into files, header, and there's your logout button again. Okay, that was a short video, and you can change the buttons for your back and your forward. So let's just, I don't know, let's just bring this back across, and let's just go back button. back button. Let's have a look for a back button. I don't know, we can just, most of these are licensable. You can get them. Let me just type back button free. See if there's anything it gives us. Ping tree back buttons, that one there. Transparent, really large, 380 by 380, but you can resize it down. Consent, get rid of that, and ping free. I've got to log in and everything, but you get the idea. But let me just do a snapshot of that. You would normally download it and have the free background, but let's just do that there. Let's just save that. And we'll just call it back. Save, close that, and close that down now. We'll go to my downloads, modified back button there. We copy that, or we could cut it if we wanted to, but we'll paste it into there. There's my back button. Go to our header, go to that. We're going to set the button style to none. We're going to set the font to 0, and then we're going to pick up the image, files, icons, back, OK. And as you can see, it's quite big, but you would just resize it all before you bring it across, and there's your back button. So that gives you an idea of how to do an image for your logout, your back, your forward, your reboot, your save. It's all the same way of doing it. Just need to resize your icons to what you want for your top of your header. I think mine are normally 50 pixels by 50 pixels, but you design it yourself. Alright, thank you for watching.